Hey guys, how you doing? Alexandra here, creator and founder of the Stress to Wealth movement. In this video, I'll be showing you how you can start making some money online in 2018 going on to 2019 with a bank. Before we get started, if it's your first time in watching my being on my channel, I thank you for taking the time for watching my video, and don't forget to please subscribe and like and comment if you find any value. And also, if you want some more information, I'll be putting my information down below, and you can connect with me on Facebook, so you can learn more information about who I am, exactly what I do. I'm a financial switcher. I help people become bosses and switch them from stress to health, because I already know how it is. A lot of people, like, we have daily obligation, we have daily bills, but the problem is we don't have daily cash flow to sustain our lifestyle, to make for us to be able to keep up with our daily expenses. The thing is, that's why I'm so glad I put my hand on this opportunity that I'm about to share with you, because this opportunity, like, most of you guys are, like, used to companies that's paying weekly, paying monthly, or even paying bi-weekly, or whatever the structure is. But with this company, they pay daily commission every single day. You can get paid by PayPal, Payza, our bank account, like any form of payment that you have, they're willing to pay you. We might be asking as well what the company is. The name of the company is called $25 One Up. Is a platform like filled with a marketing system. And what that do, it'll teach you how to market your business online. You basically have the resell right of the training. It's like a marketing platform that you are selling to other marketers or other people that are looking to make some money online, because they pay 100% commission, because some other company might be paying you 40%, 30%, 50%. This company actually pay you 100% commission when you refer somebody in the company, or when someone is looking for training and then you share the training with them and they're willing to get on board. And you might be wondering as well how much it is. It's like a small investment. Like, they have different level from $25 to $500. The more you pay, the more you position yourself to make more money. Because the thing is, I don't recommend people, like, the lowest level is $25, but the thing is, like, because I don't like chump change. I like to position myself to earn like as much commission as possible. I don't really recommend for people to to be at the $25 level, because the thing is, $25, that just unlock for you to make $25 commission every day. Like, the thing is, some people might be okay with that, because $25 every day, or let's say you make 5 sales for the day, that's like $125 for the day. That could be a good thing. But the thing is, it will take you more work for you to do to be able to make the kind of money that you want. Because the thing is, if your plan is to leave your job, if you create a lifestyle to basically have a life-changing income, the $25 will take you longer to achieve that. That's why I encourage people to at least position themselves to the platinum level, which is $100. In total, it will cost you $135, because there's a $10 hosting fee, because they have like a host system in there for you. So it costs $10 to host the whole system for you. They have like autoresponder, funnels, everything in the back office for you. So they only charge you $10. It's not a monthly fee, it's just a one-time payment, $10 to host back office for you. And also the whole system, like, most people be wondering as well if it's a monthly fee to get into this opportunity. It's not a monthly fee. That's why I love it. It's just a one-time payment. That one fee that you pay to get started, that's all you have to worry about. And all you gotta do, like, because you already know, like, you have to put up some work to get some result. The money not gonna fall on your lap. You have to get some work done. Anybody that tell you, like, any company that you join, like, you're just gonna sit there and the money just gonna come to you without doing anything, they lying to you. Me, I like to be upfront with people. You gotta do the work. You have to, like I said, you have to hustle and follow our blueprint, follow the training that we have for you, and then you'll be able to duplicate as well the same result that we are getting. There's a lot of people so far that are making great money with this company. I'll be sure, because we have a support group and a approved group as well, to show people that this company is real, that we're not playing around. We follow the blueprint, we follow the training. You are able to make some money as well. And you see that lady, like, she's one of our top affiliate. She made like $250 yesterday. The day is October 1st, 2008. Made $250 yesterday because she positioned herself at the $500 level. The thing is, when you like the higher that you position yourself, the more money that you're able to make. That's what I'm trying to tell people. If you position yourself at the $500 level, that means you are able to make up to $500 into your bank account. Let's say somebody come and they have money to invest and they decided to invest $500 to get started because they don't want to leave no money on the table. You make that $500 right away. It's not like some money gonna go to that $500 gonna go to the company. No, the $500 will go directly to you, and that's what it is. That's why the more you position yourself, the better it is. We have the 4 levels are the gold package, that's $25, the platinum package is $100, the diamond is $250, and the enterprise is $500. Whichever one that you feel like it's best for you, you go ahead and get started and start sharing the information with others. That's all you gotta do. You share the information with others, and then when they watch our information presentation, and if they feel like it's the right fit for them, they will get started. If not, there's no big deal. We don't have to worry about that. The thing, we don't chase people, we don't beg people. With a structure like this, we don't have time to be chasing people. As you can see, she has a big smile on her face. We also have other people that are making great money as well. It's not only her. And this lady as well, she made $125 just staying at home and just following our blueprint. You can see she even said it. What's the process? This is the economy changing opportunity. Follow your blueprint. And then she made $125 because she positioned herself at the platinum package, which give you unlimited access to potential $125 every single sale. That's why I keep telling you, do not, if you don't have the money to get started with, the final way to get started, if you have to borrow with, I'm sure there's some stuff that's sitting in your house, find a way to get $135, to get it for you to, once you get started, you get started at the platinum package, so you don't leave any money on the table. Because, for example, let's say you sign up with me. I'm gonna just give you an example. You sign up with me, and then you were at the $25 level, and someone signed up under you, and that person decided to do what exactly I'm telling you to do, not to leave money on the table, and they decided to position themselves at the platinum level. Because you only have the $25 level, you will only get paid $25, and that $100 gonna come to me without me even doing anything. You did all the work, but I'm the one that get paid more money than you. Then that's not fair, isn't it? But that's the reason you want to make sure you invest in yourself and you position yourself so you don't miss you don't leave any money on the table. So that's why I'm encouraging you. Some people might be telling you, okay, get started with the $25, and then later on you can upgrade, blah blah blah. No. If you're really serious, you want to make life-changing opportunity, because our team, we are very serious. We are go-getters. We don't play around. If you want to get started, you want to make life-changing income, and then you want to leave your job, you want to be able to spend time with your family, you want to be able to have some money saved on your bank account, at least the $125 level is the one for you. So do what you gotta do and save up $135, get started, and then so you can start making some money right away. I'm not gonna keep repeating every single thing. You already see what it is. You can see, for example, I'm going to go down. We have other people. He made $250 a couple days ago. See, she made another, same lady I just showed you earlier, she made another $250, and there's another lady as well. She made $525 that day. As you can see, this is life-changing income. As you already know, results are not typical. Your ability to succeed depends solely on your work ethics. Because I'm not gonna promise you that you're gonna make money right away. No, I'm not gonna do that. But if you do the work, you follow what we tell you to do, you're not just gonna sit down and complaining every single day. The result gonna come to you, because that's all we did. We have the training in place, we have the system in place, that's in the back office. That's all we did. We just went there, and then we follow all the training that they give us. The main thing about this system, some people might be saying, okay, what do I tell to people? What do I tell people? I don't know how to promote. That's what the $25 one-up system is. We have pre-written ads set up for you to just copy and paste and then share like your timeline. You can promote it on any platform that you want. You can promote on Facebook, YouTube, Craigslist, and any company, like any platform that you choose, YouTube, whatever that you choose, go ahead, you can get started, and we just follow the training, start getting some result. And once you get started with me, I got some exclusive bonuses when you get started with me. When you in under the $125 level, I got like some leads for, because you already know you need leads to get result in your business. I will be sending you 1,000 leads to get you started, because you know the fortune is in the follow up. You're gonna start like sending some emails to those people, and then they're gonna respond to you, and then you're gonna start sharing those opportunities with those 1,000 people. And then eventually, because you know it take some people up to 12 times when they see an opportunity before they make a decision. So I'll be sending you 1,000 like real people lead, not fake leads. I will be sending you like that's why I position myself as well, so I don't have to cold message people, like go in people inbox. I get myself like I position myself to have people coming to me every single day asking me what I'm doing. That's why we follow the blueprint, and people are attracted to you. They come and ask you for info. You don't go and ask them if they were basically begging them to join your business. With our team, we do not do that. So I'll be sending you there, and you'll be getting access to our exclusive training group, like to give you support every single day. Like any question that you have, we'll be able to answer them for you. And I'll be sending you also my Facebook attraction cheat sheet, that to show you exactly, especially if you're promoting on Facebook, exactly what to post, how to post to attract people to you, to get like some results, like because you already know, to get more engagement on your posts get some more engagement on your post every single day. And that's how with the algorithm, to know exactly how to beat the algorithm. So I won't make this video long, and all the information I'll be putting them in the description below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and put a comment down below if you find some value, and get started right away. Do not delay. Like this company is like in this business is expanding like crazy. People are getting in like crazy. You don't want them to change like them, because the more people are getting into it, the higher is gonna get for you, or the harder it's gonna get for you. Because right now it's just like 100. Let's say the platinum is $125 to get started. Maybe by you waiting, okay, I'll join next month, blah blah blah. By the time you decide to join, it might be maybe $500 to get to the platinum. You never know. But I don't want you to miss out, so I'll get started right away. Click on the link that will be in the description below, and I can't wait to partner with you. I can't wait to have you on the team, and so you can start making like and so I can help you switch your life to like a stress to work. Don't forget to be great, be bold, and be alright. Have a good day.